thought I'd show you the next stage in my Whitby Steps print. So that's what I printed the other day, and then I'm adding these two colours. Now this is the block. Again, this block is quite fragile, so I've got my two colours here. So I do a roll of ink, and that's the C. So I do 1, ink again, 2, 3, 4 rolls of ink. Then, because stupidly I put two colours on one block, I have to wipe off the little lines, the windows and the steps and this little join here, all with a rag so they're really clean. And then I get my next colour, and then I put about 2 rolls of ink on the small details, and then I put about 3 or 4 on the steps, so I get really good even coverage. And then that, when it's gone through the printing press, will give me that print there. So from there I've got another 2 colours to add. So it's been a challenging morning. I've got most of them right.